Spam emails can clutter your inbox, slow down your workflow, and sometimes even pose security risk. Yahoo Mail offers several tools to help you block unwanted emails, filter spam, and keep your inbox clean. So by using the features, you can reduce the number of junk messages you receive and focus only on the emails that matter. So in order to do that, go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, and the easiest way is to simply go ahead and check the box next to the email from the sender in your inbox section. Now click on the three dots in the top and you will see the option of block sender. Go ahead and tap on it. You can then check the box to block all future emails and delete existing emails from that sender if you want. And once you're done, tap on block, which is highlighted in red color, and you'll be done. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and stop spam Yahoo Mail. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.